Okay, hello everyone. So my idea was to create a merge conflict manager. We had some merge conflict recently at the office, and why not take the opportunity of the TADHack to try to find a solution to that. So for those who don't know what's a merge conflict, basically two people are working on the same code base. They will start modifying a class that is common to, on their computer, they will start modifying a class, and at the moment they will want to merge the changes into the common repository. The first one will be able to do it, the second one not, and you will have a merge conflict. A merge conflict actually is changes on the same lines, and both are trying to move those changes on the repository kind of the same time, and sometimes you end up with really annoying things. So, solutions. Of course, you can communicate and try to prevent that. There are some technology tools. I don't know a lot of them, but I have one that I will present. So yeah, of course, if you have a dev team like that, it's perfect, right? We all discussed before starting implementing. We are sure what we are doing. I'm sure it's not like that everywhere. I will present you the tool. So what did I do, actually? The idea is that we have a small Cupido part, a server one, that will talk to Cisco Spark and Apidaze. And we have two small clients that will also connect to the same room, the Cisco Spark. Every time someone changes something in his Git, in his local Git repository, he will send a message to the Cisco Spark room, and the server will receive it and say, okay, I update the team change list. Every time the team change list is updated, it grows, and at one point you will have two people working on the same file, and the idea is that those two people are warned, they receive a small notification, and a specific room in Cisco Spark is created just for them so they can discuss about the merge conflict. In case they don't come to an agreement, they can send an SMS to the team leader, they can escalate or whatever. So that's the idea. So yeah, the two main use cases is the usual dev team. We are not discussing every time about what are the changes we are going to do, what are the classes we are going to change. Yeah, so a small notification, a pop-up saying a colleague is already working on that class might be interesting. An open source project, of course. You are working from France, another one from Belgium. It's a nice thing if you see a problem, an issue in the GitHub repository, that you can know, okay, someone is already working on it. It's a nice thing. Of course, if it's someone from Japan or Spain, it's harder if you make the call with him. It's okay. So the next steps for the project are Jira and Gerrit. Yeah, so the idea is that at some point you could also have an idea of what tasks the guy is working on at work, and it might be even easier to see why the merge is happening and easier to take decisions at that point. Gerrit is another layer with Git, so it's, well. And yeah, the UI server side is not there. So also something I would like to improve in a few weeks, yeah. Okay, so I will try to do a demo. The thing is, it's mainly logs, so I think you got the idea, but okay, that's weird. Sorry. No, it's staying there. Go away. Okay, so for example, I'm here on Windows working in Atom. The idea is that, I don't know if you see something, if I do some changes. Okay, so you can see that the message is sent now. No, on this part. Okay, no on this part. Well, I will pass the computer so you can all have a look. The server side received the message and updated the change list. And now if you go to the other IntelliJ and you make a change, you will see that we will have a merge conflict. At that point, you will receive a room ID and the URL of the room where you can join. And inside of that one, you can send an SMS. And yeah, that's the project. Thank you.
Mike, that was excellent. Very practical. Really cool application. Well done. So do we have any questions? I'll just pass you over to Steve.
Do you plan to push the hack somewhere in the wild?
Yeah, it's on GitHub already.
Okay, great.
So
Thanks.
I will share it. I will share the link, and I will try to do a small video, a real demo, where you can see everything actually, and I will share that on YouTube also, or in the Slack room.
Great. And I've got your computer.
Okay.
Excellent. Again, thanks so much, Mike.